This is why you need to take care of your brain. The brain is the control center of the body, and it is the brain that is responsible for keeping the heart to beat and the lungs for continuous breathing, and even allowing you to move free and also have the ability to think. This simply means that your brain health is very important, in the sense that if anything happens to the brain, the whole body is under a serious condition. There are some certain things to do to improve the well-being of your brain. What do I mean by this? All I want you to know is that there are some habits to cultivate and also some foods to eat to improve the state of your brain. Let's start by considering some of the food that can keep your brain in a good working condition. Firstly, I always say something, and what I normally tell people is that whatever you consume determines the state of your health. Now, there are some foods that can improve the state of your brain, and these foods have a major role that they contribute to your brain health. Number one on my list is fish, especially fatty fish. Fish is often one of the foods that improves brain health. It is a good source of omega-3 fatty acid. One fact about the brain is that 60% of your brain is made of fat, and that half is composed of omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to build brain cells and the nerve cells, and also improves learning and memory. Also, when it comes to foods that can make the brain function properly, one of the fruit that can never be neglected is the orange. Orange contains almost all the vitamin C that is very important for the brain to work properly. All you need to do is to try to eat an orange per day. Your brain will thank you later for doing this. Also, the vitamin C in the orange is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce infection that can damage the brain. Other alternatives of some of the fruit that contain vitamin C to improve your brain health are foods like guava, tomatoes, bell peppers, and strawberries. Another food on my list is the egg. You see, eggs are one of the foods that contain nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline, and all of these food or nutrients work together for good for your brain health. The yellow ball inside the egg contains micronutrients known as the choline, and this choline helps in regulating mood and promoting proper brain function and development. Some other foods to check out to maintain your brain health are vegetables, green foods like maize, wheat, and also coffee. The caffeine in your coffee helps to boost the body mood, but it's advisable to drink coffee early in the morning and to avoid drinking coffee before your bedtime so that it won't affect your sleeping time. Now that we are done with some of the important diets that can maintain the state of your brain health, now let's consider some of the habits to cultivate to improve your brain, and I can assure you that these astonishing habits will help your brain to function properly if you put them into your daily activities plan. Number one on my list is practicing regular exercise. Exercise has many known benefits like improving the heart functions. Also, when you practice exercise, there will be increase in blood flow from your heart throughout your body and to your brain as well to make it function properly. So aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. You can walk or jog or play football or any kind of exercise that will make your heart beat faster. So try to do as much as possible exercise every week. Number two on my list is getting enough sleep. You see, sleep is very important for your brain to function better and properly. Also, consecutive sleep makes your brain to consolidate and store your memories efficiently. So aim to sleep for like 7 to 8 hours per day. Also, one of the habits to practice is staying mentally active. Your brain can be trained to work mentally well to be efficient. You can give your time to reading or studying. But let me tell you this, try to read at least 5 pages per day, and also try to meditate and solve challenging puzzle. You can take puzzle and solve challenging puzzle. Those activities will help your brain to function efficiently. The last on my list is maintaining strong social relationship. Making friends with like-minded individuals will help boost your mental health, and when you create relationship with people around you, it will also help your brain to think in a normal way and function in a normal way, and it will help your brain to prevent depression and stress, and also help to prevent memory loss. You can read a book written by Dale Carnegie. The book is titled How to Win Friends and Influence People. Read the book and it will help you to know how to build your mental health status. Now, I hope you can see that your brain needs to be taken care of very well. Now, to take care of your brain with what I've told you earlier is that number one is to eat good diet. Eat diets like fish, fatty fish, eggs, oranges, tomatoes, guava, and some other fruits. And don't forget to eat your vegetables and grains. Now, some of the habits to improve your brain health that were discussed in this video is that you should practice regular exercise and also get enough sleep and try to maintain strong social relationship with people around you. It will help your brain and it will improve your brain health. So my dear, do you remember during the introduction of this video that I said the brain control every other activities in your body system? So what do you need to do to improve the brain health? It is being mentioned in this video that you need to practice some tips. So, and I always say you have the power to take charge of your health and happiness. So start from today to take charge of your brain health and it will give you happiness and your brain will thank you later. If you find this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification button for the next video. Thank you.